Is your Chrome browser running slower than a snail in molasses? It might be time for an update. Today, I'm going to show you how to easily update Google Chrome on your Windows 10 computer in just a few simple steps, ensuring you have the latest features, security, and performance improvements. First, look to the top right corner of your Chrome browser window. You'll see 3 vertical dots. This is the Chrome menu. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. Scroll down near the bottom and find the Help option. Hover over it. A submenu pops out. In this submenu, click on About Google Chrome. This takes you to the About Chrome page. Chrome will automatically start checking for updates if an update is available. It will begin downloading and installing right away. You'll see a progress bar. Once the update is downloaded and installed, you'll see a relaunch button. This is important. Click Relaunch to restart Chrome and apply the update. Chrome will close and then automatically reopen. That's it. Your Chrome browser is now up to date with the latest version. Now you can enjoy a faster, smoother, and more secure browsing experience. Don't forget to regularly check for updates to keep your Chrome running at its best. Thanks for watching.